If you have a house in Cuyahoga Falls, Ohio, and you're thinking about selling, or you want to sell your house in Cuyahoga Falls, and you want to keep it easy, convenient, and fair, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I has been buying houses in and around Cuyahoga Falls. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers prefer to work with a direct buyer like us over working with more of a traditional buyer who's working with a real estate agent and who's using some kind of mortgage company to buy your house, because that could get very inconvenient and it could be very complicated. There's a lot of hoops to jump through that we're looking to avoid. So when you sell to us as a direct buyer, first things first, we're going to buy your house in Cuyahoga Falls in its as-is condition. So what that means is you don't need to fix anything at all. There's nothing you need to fix, even a leaky faucet, floors, roof, nothing whatsoever. You don't have to fix anything. You don't need to clean, right? Sometimes people think when they're selling a house, they got to get over there on a weekend with a mop and a broom and clean. You don't have to do that. There's no open houses. There's no one, trekking through the house and judging your house, right? There's no nitpicking of the house. You don't have to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. So a typical conversation with someone selling their house is, you can take anything you want out of the house. So any belongings or collectibles or family heirlooms, please, by all means, memories and things like that, pictures, take it all. That's meaningful to you. But anything that you just don't want or don't need, you can leave behind and we'll take care of it all for you. And what allows us to buy houses in Cuyahoga Falls and surrounding areas in their as-is condition is we're actually a cash buyer. And this is much different than the traditional buyer that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. A traditional buyer is relying on this lender or this mortgage company or this bank to approve the transaction so they can actually get it closed with you. And what comes with that oftentimes is they're going to need to send this formal inspection through the house. This inspector is going to spend all day over there, every nook and cranny, and looking into this thing to nitpick the situation and nitpick your house, right? And then they got to send their appraiser through. And the appraiser, hopefully they're having a good day, because if they're not, they can easily just pull the rug out from under this whole conversation, cancel the whole thing. Now guess what? You're back where you started, right? Also, with a traditional buyer, they typically are working with some kind of real estate agent, and the seller is expected, you are expected to pay them. You're expected to, out of your proceeds from the sale, to pay a commission when and if they're represented by some kind of real estate agent. All of this is unnecessary. When you sell your property in Cuyahoga Falls to us, we're going to buy it in its as-is condition, we're going to pay cash, and what that means is all the control is left with you. The ball is in your court, and you can close this transaction, and we can close this transaction for you and with you whenever you want. So if you want to sell quickly, we absolutely could accommodate that. Or if you want to close more flexible, you need something to happen in your life, you want to set a future target date, we could accommodate those needs as well. So if you have a house in Cuyahoga Falls that you're wanting to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, bypass all the hoops, right? Pay no commissions, get a fair price, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Now, I know it says Columbus in the website name, but we're very actively buying in Cuyahoga Falls and all over Akron, Canton, all over the whole state of Ohio. We're very familiar with these areas. We're from here. We're locals. And when you call us, it's a very easy conversation. So we just need to know more about your house that you're looking to sell, and then know more about the timeline in which you're looking to close. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Cuyahoga Falls house. If our offer works for you, that's fantastic. Just like the hundreds and hundreds and maybe even 1,000 other people that we've worked with, we're going to move forward. We're going to get this done for you. We're going to communicate clearly with you throughout the entire process. You're always going to know exactly where we're at in the process. It's very easy. But if our offer doesn't work for you, That's okay too, because there's no crime, no foul. We're not here to leave a bad taste in your mouth and create pressure. This is not a high stressful situation when you speak with us whatsoever. Very easy conversation. We're not going to create fake urgency. We're not going to create pressure and sales tactics and gimmicks. We're not going to play games because, as I mentioned, we're local. We live here and we're from Ohio. And this isn't some call center, right? We're not some call center located in some foreign distant land who's talking about your house in Cuyahoga Falls like they know what they're talking about, but they don't, and they don't have the experience. We absolutely do. You want to work with people who've been here for many, many years, just like we have, and we're going to get this done for you. So if you have a house in Cuyahoga Falls and you want to at least see what your options are in selling the property fast, conveniently to a cash buyer like us, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. We buy houses in and around Cuyahoga Falls and have for many years. I look forward to speaking with you and I look forward to working with you.